So, good day, ma'am. Um, the future of PES and conservation financing. So, expanding market based solution, emerging markets for biodiversity credit and low carbon, like mangrove conservation and diversifying funding source. So, in a sa market, emerging market, um, for biodiversity credits and low carbon, like sa mangrove conservation, it's represent a grow market based solution that uses kaning financial o kaning incentives to drive for environmental protection pod, and then it is dili siya makaharm sa environment na recent drive environmental protection. So the this market assign economic value uh, uh, to ecosystem services like carbon sequestration and biodiversity preservation, and allow organization to buy credit to offset their environmental impacts. And then scalable models like water funds and species banking show promise for private sectors engagement. However, rebus regulation, it is refers to strong rules or laws to para ma-manage behavior sa isa ka specific area or land, no, such as kanang finance or health technology to the environment. So ang goal ani rebus is the safety sa isa ka specific area, and fairness bitaw sa anak na lugar. This is needed to prevent greenwashing and ensure ecological integrity. So in policy integration pod, linking PS to climate framework. So kaning like Paris Agreement. So kaning Paris Agreement, it is Paris Agreement can unlock international funding and align conservation with NDCs. Kaning NDCs is nationally determined contribution na gikuan siya na it is a climate action dito. It is a climate action na it is a climate action plan developed by the for Paris Agreement bitaw. And then like sa Costa Rica carbon neutrality plan, no, kaning Costa Rica, it is kanang implement one of the world earliest and most successful PS programs in the 1990s, paying landowners to preserve forest degradation area and manage natural resources sustainability. So to ang policy integration sa technological innovation pod. Blockchain enable transparent tracking of payments and ecosystem outcomes, reducing fund in carbon markets. AI and remote sensing improve monitoring of uh, reforestation or well restoration. Install lower transaction cost and build trust among stakeholders. So, ang technological innovation, it is a tool bitaw na para um, um, ano na um, para uh, it is refers for development and application of new technologies to improve the um, monitoring of reforestation or waterland restoration, and ito also pod na makakuan pod sa timeliness bitaw, kanang mapadali bitaw ang trabaho, technical innovation. So in inclusive PES system, co-designing programs with indigenous and local communities ensure equitable benefit sharing and cultural relevance. So like for example atong aning example ay Mexico's PES program. So kaning uh, Mexico PES program, um, uh, it is designed to incentives environmental conservation by offering financial reward to communities or landowners who protect natural resources like forest and watershed. uh, Mao to mao tong exclusive PS ng example kaning sa Mexico's. And then sa strengthening partnership, cross sectors collaboration like cooperation, NGOs, alliance, pool resources and expertise for landscape scale project. The LEAF coalition units governments and companies to fund tropical forest conservation. Such partnerships amplify impact but require clear governance framework. So in strengthening partnership, we need to partner una ta mo undergo sa isa ka kanang maghimo og program. We need to collaborate for a government, no, and also sa mga communities or stakeholders to para matabangan ta ato na kuan ana na program. And also sa mga kuan like companies pod na we need to collaborate them to um, uh, kanang dili siya maka harm sa environments environments o mao ra to. Thank you ma'am.